Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip.
What's poppin', Day Nation? Today's video is sponsored by Megalookhair. They sent me a beautiful wig. It's a 22-inch 4x4 closure wig, and they also sent me a bunch of cuties in this cute pouch. They sent a pair of lashes. They sent a cute little scarf, one hair clip and a second hair clip, a beautiful edge brush, and 2 wig caps. So we're gonna get straight into this video. As you guys saw in the first clip, I did dye the hair a blonde brown color. And here I am prepping for my ball cap. I'm taking some edge control, and I'm just going to sleek those hairs back to add a layer of protection on my edges from the glue. But we're not going to put the glue on our edges, of course. But it just helps sleek them back so it won't be all over my forehead. I'm then going to go in with a cap. This is a light brown nude color cap. And I just put it over my head and over my ears. This is a closure wig install, so we will not be gluing this down ear to ear. We don't need to cut out the ear tabs because closures don't go that far. They are 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, sometimes 7x7. And I'm doing the middle part, so it's just going to go strictly in the middle of my head. And you guys see that little line I made with my lace glue, DaylaDoll lace glue. You can shop it down below. Click that link. That little line is all I need because a closure is so small, it's so little. And I'm also going to sew around my head. I didn't show me sewing it, but I have many videos of me sewing. So I just created a little sloppy sew around the closure area of how big the closure will be. It does not need to go ear to ear. Now I'm going to use my lace glue, and I'm going to go in with 3 layers. 3 layers of this lace glue, and you're going to let it dry completely through each layer. This is the first one, a very thin layer. I'm going to smooth it in, help smooth down that cap, melt it into my skin, wait, and do it again. Right here I'm cutting those 2 really thick tabs off the closure just so I can get a more melted closure seamless install.